Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric pruning shears that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sunjo 2000 mAh Rapid Cutting Cordless Power Pruner. This is a great selection of an electric pruning shear that has been designed to offer efficient pruning. The product is very reliable as it offers a speed of 0.6 second rapid cutting. Besides this, it comes with a high capacity of 2000 mAh battery that will provide up to 750 Qt every charge. Other than this, the product has been ergonomically designed to allow for elementary hold when pruning. What is more, the electric pruning shear is very efficient, and with a rechargeable battery, it will offer better performance. Also, the electric pruning shear is highly versatile since you can use it for trimming twigs, stems, wood, and branches. It is an ergonomic pruner that is easy to hold and can cut up to 0.5 inches thick materials. The unit has been finished in a wide range of colors to choose the ideal option that suits your taste. With the lightweight design, the electric pruning shear is fit for use for long. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Laecabv Electric 12 volts Liion Battery Cordless Pruning Shear. The battery pack of the pruning shear is a feature to think about when making the order. This is a perfect selection with a high-capacity battery that offers 6 to 8 hours runtime. Besides this, it also recharges faster and efficiently to serve you accordingly. To add more, the product has a powerful DC brushless motor that brings about great torque. The product has a rugged build, which makes it a favorite pick for years. Furthermore, it has an ergonomic sleek design, which means that you can comfortably use it when working out. Additionally, it is a highly versatile shear that you can use for garden pruning, grass pruning, trimmer, and more. The good news is that the product has a cutting thickness of 30 mm and, therefore, a great option you don't want to miss. It is finished in a wide range of colors to get the favorite selection that will serve your needs. At number 3, we have the Jitterbug Air Pruning Shear Scissors Pneumatic Pruner. The cutting capacity of the electric pruning shear is a feature you should think about before buying the shear. This is a fantastic product that has a cutting thickness of up to 1 inches. Because of this, it is excellent for cutting wood, branches, and more. Moreover, the product has quality forged blades that will offer excellent smooth cutting. With this, it will easily cut for all your pruning needs. You can use it for wood, branches, and grass pruning among others. The product is built from the best quality high-strength material that will withstand repeated uses. The product has a sleek ergonomic design, which allows for easy and convenient use. Also, the product is lightweight, which allows for easy hold when pruning. It has a unique safety lock that ensures the pruning shear will not start up accidentally. The compact design of the pruning shear also means you can conveniently store it after use. At number 2, we have the KOMOK Electric Pruning Shear. This is a superior and efficient pruning shear that will suit your pruning tasks. The product is cordless and easy to hold thanks to the lightweight design. More interestingly, it comes with a convenient carrying bag, which means that you can carry and keep it. The shear comes with a high-capacity 2.5 Ah battery that provides a longer runtime. The product is also equipped with a power LED work light for improved illumination when working under low light. It is a powerful product with a high motor that brings about superior torque and speed. It has a cutting capacity of 0.55 inches, making it fit for cutting a wide range of items. For instance, you can use it for pruning trees, wood, and more. The sleek ergonomic design of the pruning shear means that you can comfortably hold it when pruning. This, coupled with the lightweight, is a fine selection that you never want to miss. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ryobi Rechargeable Pruning Shear. Ryobi Rechargeable Pruning Shear is a great product that has been designed to suit your pruning tasks. It is a great option that has been designed to suit a wide range of pruning tasks like cutting grass, wood, and more. Additionally, it also comes with a 1300 mAh battery that offers a longer runtime, making it efficient for long hours of pruning. Also, it has a soft ergonomic handle, which means you can comfortably hold when pruning. The product has a lightweight design, which means that you can hold it for long when pruning. Additionally, it has a quality forged blade that provides excellent cutting. It has a convenient blade cover, which will keep the blade safe when accidental cuts. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.